All right, guys. I noticed something, so I just thought I should, help out here. Okay, and that's like, let's go to YouTube. Okay, YouTube.com. Then let's take our recipe. Mind you, you can also divide your column. Your columns can be divided into um, excuse me. All right, you can divide your column in case you want to have, excuse me, if you want to divide your recipes into two. Okay, I already have this here. Sorry. If I want to delete these, or let's assume I want to have two, let me set up a new one, and then layout, go here, moderate, come back, 8.5 by 11. Let me go with this A4. I don't want to spend time here. So now I want to create, I'll just do two, then come back to column, more column, and I want to the space and the width, closing up the space. Okay, then all right. So I have my column already set here. So page break. So let's assume everything. Get this picture and I add it here. This is going to be for my recipe. If you check on Amazon, you will see um, you're going to see stuff like this. Okay, so format, shape outline, no outline. All right, fill. Uh, take okay. Picture. See, I'm not really here to teach you interior formatting. No, my major aim and plan is to make sure you have recipes and structure your book very well. Then you can do your you can find a way to get your interiors yourself, okay, with the little I've shown to you. So I can say insert text box, draw text box, then now I get the okay, get this done, get this, get this done, okay, bring it to proper alignment, okay. Now shape fill, I can fill it up with You've seen cookbooks with things like these, colors and so forth. Just pick anyone suitable. Okay, close up this space here. Close this. Now remove the outline. No outline. Alright. Come back. You come back to, you know, take your title, recipe title, then can get another text box, draw, and then fix it here, paste, okay. We can have it filled, let's say, get it filled. I may want to cover this whole area, get it filled up. All right, get this a bit down on whichever way it works for you. Then shape fill this place. Shape outline, no outline. Shape fill, let's see. All right, move it this way. Then I can get something else again, still under insert, still under insert, and can draw it here. Then call this one. This one is one. All right, I typed one there, and then I may just have to keep increasing this in number. Increase it 72. Bring it to the middle. All right, call it down. So increase it a bit. Sorry. Okay, this, this, this. All right. So now this thing here, you can fill it up. Shape, shape fill. Can make it any color. Let's go with green. Shape outline, no outline. Then this highlight the number one inside, and then let's change the color. All right. So so okay. What about stuff? This is just me trying out things. Okay. So you can remember we are making sorry, two recipes on one page. Okay. So alright. Okay. Let's reduce the size. 22. I usually make use of 22. All right. Remember, we are just working, so we just create something. This may not be the best of it. Okay, so not I'm just not taking my time to do this, all right? But you can actually do something better. But the main reason for you know coming up here is this. Let me show you our image. Another way to get image if you don't have a premium tool to get your image. The name of our recipe is Greek whatever. So come to YouTube. All right, this is YouTube. Now paste that recipe inside YouTube search bar. You paste it in. Now let's search for great. So Greek yogurt with honey and berries. This is it. Now the reason why I'm bringing you to this YouTube is so that you can get images without copyright wahala. Do you understand? So without copyright wahalas, there's so many of them, so many of them, so many of them. So let's now before then there's this tool. You go to um, um, Chrome Web Store. You go to Chrome Web Store to search for this tool called video screenshot set video screenshots. All right, video screenshot. Go to Web Store, Chrome Web Store. Search for Chrome. Search for Chrome. Yes, Chrome Web Store. This one here, Chrome Web Store, and then all right, the Chrome Web Store extension. So what are we searching for? We're searching for video screenshot settings. Okay, video video screen video screenshots. All right, I think it's this one. So you click on it. I have it already, so there's no need. I have it already. All right, so add it to your. See, I have it already. So that's exactly what you are going to be downloading. All right. So excuse me. So now this is what I'll do. I'll play this video. If I have ascertained, I will also go to Google's normal to search to make sure it looks like exactly what we're looking for. So Greek yogurt, honey, and berries. All right. So now I'll pause the video and then hover over this to check for a proper angle for me to take. All right. This is getting your how to get one of the ways to get your recipe videos in case you don't have premium tools where you can get this. All right, so let's assume this is the only one we have for now. All right, here. So after selecting this place, if taking it, remember the video will have to be on pause. So click settings, come to settings, click on it, then come to auto this quality because you want good quality. Now look for the highest quality. Sometimes the highest quality is 720p. All right, so this one is 1080p. So pixels. So I'll pick this. That's the highest quality now. So that the quality, can you see the quality has increased? All right. So the next thing I will do is to click this my tool that I downloaded. It will screenshot that for me. All right. Now let's see it. Okay. So you see The video has, I said the video, let's see. So this is it. The picture is here already. So this is how to, one of the ways to get our pictures. Okay, let's see. All right, click open. So you see now we've downloaded it. So when you want to use it, you you can take it to Canva or any other to brighten it up, and you can use it. So this is one of the ways to get your recipes, pictures, or images for your cookbook. All right, that's exactly what I wanted to share. Thank you, and may the Lord bless you. Bye bye.